How to hide your birthday on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide your birthday. First open VK and then click on your profile here. Once you're here, click these 3 points in the top corner and then click edit profile. Scroll all the way down, click profile and click show my birthday and then click this one and then click do not show my birthday, and that's it. Then click this icon here, don't forget to click this icon to save it, and then click on it again and go back. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.